The silent revolution of Tesla is happening right before our eyes, but few realize its true magnitude. While the world remains fascinated with electric vehicle production and Elon Musk's controversial statements, a fundamental transformation in the company's business model is redefining the future of the automotive industry. Tesla's software subscription strategy, particularly with its full self-driving FSD feature, represents a paradigm shift that few Wall Street analysts have given proper attention. Imagine a future where Tesla is not just an automobile manufacturer, but a technology company whose wheels touch the asphalt. This is the future that Musk envisioned from the beginning, and that is now materializing through a steady stream of recurring revenue generated by millions of vehicles already on the roads. Tesla is transforming each car sold into a software platform that continues to generate revenue long after it leaves the dealership. In April 2024, Tesla reduced the price of its FSD monthly subscription from $199 to $99, a strategic move that significantly lowers the barrier to entry for consumers to experience advanced autonomous driving features. In Canada, the subscription is also available for $99 CAD. This price reduction eliminated the previous differentiated pricing model, where owners with enhanced autopilot received a discounted rate of $99. Now, all Tesla owners can access the full suite of FSD features for a uniform monthly fee, while the outright purchase price remains at $12,000. Basic autopilot continues to be standard on all Tesla vehicles, offering features such as adaptive cruise control and steering assistance. However, the FSD subscription unlocks advanced capabilities like traffic light recognition, automatic parking, and the summon function, which allows the vehicle to navigate autonomously in parking environments. Each Tesla with FSD activated generates approximately $100 per year in recurring revenue for the company, a predictable high-margin cash flow that doesn't depend on selling new vehicles. The growth potential of this revenue model is extraordinary. With approximately 5.8 million Tesla vehicles on global roads in mid-2024, and projections indicating that this number will reach 6.7 million by the end of the year, the installed base for software monetization is rapidly growing. If just 10% of Tesla owners subscribe to FSD, the company could generate about $563 million in recurring software revenue in 2024, a number that will continue to grow as more vehicles are sold. The projections for 2030 are even more impressive. Analysts estimate that Tesla will have at least 5 million vehicles on American roads alone, potentially generating $118.8 million annually just from FSD subscriptions, plus $11.9 million from premium connectivity subscriptions. Some Morgan Stanley analysts believe that Tesla's software business will eventually surpass its hardware business in value, a transformation similar to what Microsoft and Adobe achieved when migrating to subscription-based models. Looking even further ahead to 2040, with projected adoption rates increasing to 50%, Tesla could have 57 million autonomous vehicles generating $68 billion in annual high-margin recurring FSD software revenue. These numbers aren't mere speculation. They represent the natural trajectory of a business model that's already operational today. For Tesla owners who choose not to subscribe to FSD, the implications are multifaceted. They continue to have access to basic autopilot features but miss out on advanced capabilities like traffic light recognition and automatic parking. Some FSD subscribers have reported having to choose between the latest FSD features and other vehicle software updates, as demonstrated by recent dissatisfaction with FSD v12.3 and v12.4 updates that were based on older software versions. The decision to subscribe or not also has implications for resale value. Vehicles without FSD may have different resale values, although the subscription option mitigates this somewhat by allowing future owners to add the feature. From a cost-benefit analysis perspective, at $99 per month, the subscription model makes more financial sense for most owners compared to the $12,000 upfront purchase, which would take over 10 years to break even. longer than the average 8-year car ownership period. What makes this strategy particularly brilliant is how it aligns with Tesla's data feedback loop. Each vehicle with FSD activated not only generates revenue, but also contributes to the massive dataset that Tesla uses to train and improve its AI algorithms. More subscribers mean more data. More data means a better system. A better system means more subscribers. It's a virtuous cycle that strengthens Tesla's competitive advantage every day. This transformation in Tesla's business model reflects a broader shift in the automotive industry. Traditionally, automakers generate revenue primarily at the point of sale and, to a lesser extent, through maintenance services. Tesla's model flips this dynamic, creating an ongoing relationship with the customer that generates revenue throughout the vehicle's lifetime. It's similar to how Apple monetizes its ecosystem through services like iCloud, Apple Music, and the App Store, long after selling the initial hardware. The beauty of this model is its scalability. The marginal cost of providing FSD software to an additional vehicle is virtually zero, while the revenue is substantial. This starkly contrasts with the traditional automobile manufacturing business, where each additional vehicle requires significant materials, labor, and capital. As Tesla's installed base of vehicles grows, the operational leverage of this software model becomes increasingly powerful. Additionally, the subscription model offers Tesla pricing flexibility that can maximize revenue across different market segments. The recent price reduction to $99 per month will likely significantly increase the adoption rate, potentially doubling or tripling the number of subscribers. Tesla can adjust these prices dynamically based on factors such as region, vehicle model, or even individual usage, further optimizing monetization. For investors, this evolution in Tesla's business model has profound implications for the company's valuation. Recurring software revenues are typically valued at much higher multiples than automobile manufacturing revenues due to their predictability, scalability, and high margins. If Tesla can successfully execute this strategy, it could justify a significantly higher valuation than its traditional automotive peers, something we already see reflected partly in its stock price. The subscription model also creates an interesting dynamic for consumers. With a lower entry point of $99 per month, more owners can experience FSD features without the substantial $12,000 commitment. This will likely accelerate the adoption and normalization of autonomous driving technology, potentially influencing public perception and even regulation. As more people experience these advanced features, the expectation that all vehicles will eventually offer similar capabilities may become prevalent. Looking ahead, the long-term potential of this revenue model is even more transformative when we consider Tesla's vision for a robo-taxi network. If Tesla can develop fully autonomous vehicles that can operate as part of a robo-taxi fleet, each vehicle could generate substantial revenue, not just through software subscriptions, but also through transportation services. In this scenario, Tesla would effectively transform from an automobile manufacturer into a mobility-as-a-service company with diversified and highly scalable revenue streams. Tesla's software subscription strategy represents a fundamental evolution in the automotive business model that receives surprisingly little attention, given its transformative potential. As Tesla's installed base of vehicles continues to grow and FSD capabilities improve, this recurring revenue stream will likely become an increasingly significant part of the company's financial profile. For investors, consumers, and competitors, understanding this dimension of Tesla's business is crucial to accurately assess the company's future and its role in the evolving automotive industry.